So today, instead of doing a saltwater beach, we're going to be doing a freshwater public park, swimming area, fishing, lots of stuff going on here. See if we have any luck finding anything. I'll let you know, and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to be using the Vanquish 540, and hopefully I can have some luck here. And here's another target. Piece of metal. Junk. Alright, I found it. It's a nail. So I figured, but you never know till you dig these things. It could be something really nice. You just never know. That's why I try to dig a lot of the targets I get. Right on to the next. Look at that beautiful view of this lake. The mountains, the cloud coming in real low, so we're up in elevation a bit. Just beautiful. And the water, it's been raining all day. It finally took a break, but look at that water. It's so calm in front of me here. Even out towards those buoys you see. It's like a sheet of glass. Just beautiful. I should have brought my fishing rod. I will next time. I'm on another target here. It's gonna be 9. Getting something else over there too. I'll check it out. Fishing weight. I just came upon this fishing bag with a multi-tool, empty power bait can, some gear, hooks, surface fine. It's wet, but I'll see what I can salvage. Quite a bit can be salvaged out of that with that gear and the containers. And I do some fishing, so this will get put to use because it's pretty doubtful I'm going to find out whoever owned this. Yeah, it may have fallen the way it was sitting in the water too. I'm thinking someone may have lost it on an inner tube or something.